very, very, very special evening. This is an evening where we are celebrating the service of a gentleman who's gone beyond himself to serve society, who's gone beyond himself to leave a legacy which can be carried forward for years and generations to come. So a big round of applause for each and every one of you for being here, and a big round of applause for this occasion that we are here to celebrate. It gives me great pleasure to also invite our VIP dignitaries, and as I invite them, I request sir to please come up on stage. We have with us in presence Dr. K.B. Lingegowda, the director of Kidwai Memorial Institute of Oncology. Can we have a round of applause for Dr. K.B. Lingegowda? We also have here with us today Dr. K.C. Ballal, who is the former president of the National Integrated Medical Association. Can we have a round of applause for Dr. K.C. And we have here with us, of course, the man of the moment, the author for today, Mr. Jagdish Bhurani. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Jagdish Bhurani? I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to all our members from the media. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. May I now request all the dignitaries on the stage to begin this evening with the traditional lighting of the lamp. So, sirs, may you please... Like I said, we're here to celebrate a journey of service, and it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you the author for the evening, Mr. Jagdish R. Bhurani. Beyond being a businessman, there came a stage in his life where he decided to dedicate his life to social service. He has been serving society by advising and providing free services to people suffering from chronic diseases using the power of urine therapy. Today, what we are witnessing is 23 years of service being compiled into one simple book, which each one of us and our families and the people around us could use as a guide, as a tool book to help us support those suffering from chronic diseases. Gives me great pleasure, and please help me welcome the author of the book, Natural Benefits of Urine Therapy, Jagdish R. Bhurani, to share with us his journey of writing the book. So please give him a big round of applause.
Good evening to all. Honorable Director, Kidwai Memorial Hospital, Dr. B.K. Lingegowda, Dr. K.C. Ballal, former President of the National Integrated Medical Association, all other dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank all of you and welcome you on the occasion of launching my book, Natural Benefits of Urine Therapy. I am the author of the book, Natural Benefits of Urine Therapy, which is published by Notion Press, Chennai, in English, Kannada, Hindi, and Tamil. It contains all the details of benefits of urine therapy, method of treatment, diet, and the necessary instructions. It contains about 75 testimonials and the case histories of the patients who have achieved benefits along with their diagnosed reports. Natural Benefits of Urine Therapy is one of the unique books on the education section on the secret of excellent health for everyone to maintain a hale and healthy life. It has a natural healing power to control and cure all kinds of diseases. It is very effective healing method and the most powerful natural treatment. It is 100% safe and does not have any side effects. It is free of cost and can be adopted and practiced at home in a very easy method. Urine therapy can control and cure cancer, HIV/AIDS, and all kinds of chronic diseases. The healing power is within us. Though I am not a qualified doctor and do not hold any medical certificates, with a practical experience, I have treated patients suffering from chronic diseases, which are very difficult to cure according to the medical science, like cancer, HIV/AIDS, diabetes, gallbladder stones, cerebral palsy, mental retardation, motor neuron disease, muscular dystrophy, chronic diseases, hair loss, acute lumbar spondylitis. I have found some of the excellent results. I have also put up my website, www.urinetherapy.in, and over 3 lakhs people have visited my site and achieved great benefits through it. I've been getting inquiries from India and other countries throughout the world, like England, Australia, America, South Africa, Pakistan, and other countries. God has given us the wonderful gift to the man, his own water called Shivambu. Lord Shiva has himself narrated the benefits of urine therapy to Mother Parvati, which has been referred in the ancient books, Dhamma Tantra in Vedas. In the ancient book and Vedas, urine is referred as Shivambu, means auto urine, water of Shiva. The proper method of urine therapy is drinking urine, massaging the whole body with urine, keeping urine wet pack, drinking water and juices by maintaining a balanced light diet. The color and the taste of the urine depends upon the person, what they eat and drink. Persons who adopt this treatment in the method will pass a white color urine, just like a water, which does not contain any smell, and they can gain a proper knowledge to achieve maximum benefits. I would request all of you to join your hands for the noble cause. Create awareness on the benefits of urine therapy, which can save millions of lives throughout the world. Government should recognize urine therapy as a natural method of treatment. They should instruct medical department, education department, hospitals, colleges, and school to educate people on the proper method, technique, mode of treatment, and the necessary diet to achieve the maximum benefits from urine therapy. The awareness should reach all the remote corners of the world. I am anticipating that this book will reach every house throughout the world and that everyone should have the knowledge of benefits of urine therapy. It is left to the individual choice, whoever wants to adopt it and achieve its benefits. Thank you.
So we're going to be rolling an AV where we're going to have baby Amruta share. This was a case of cerebral palsy. So we're going to be seeing what urine therapy did for the patient.
I'm Lata Manjunath, mother of Amrita Satvika. Amrita was born in the year 1999 with multiple problems, and doctor said she is mentally retarded and handicapped throughout. So we have taken her to all big doctors in the city. We have given her treatment, all possible treatment, and spent a lot of money, but we did not see any improvement. And in 2009, our friend advised her to go to Mr. Jagdish Burani, and he asked us to adapt this urine therapy. When we took her to him, her eyeballs were not in position. She had no neck control. Her hands and legs were curved, and her spine was curved, and she was not responding to calls. She could not recognize her sister or parents. And she was almost in a vegetable state. After Mr. Jagdish Burani advised her to us to give urine 4 to 5 times a day, and on his advice we have been giving her urine 4 to 5 times a day, which is 1.5 liters per day. We are giving her massage, and we are giving her wet pack and also to drink. So we are seeing considerable improvement after 2 years. She is able to focus now, and she is also able to indicate that she is hungry, and she is also responding to calls, sounds, and she also enjoys music now. She is able to stand erect now with support, and her neck control is better. And so in another 1 year, I think she will become normal. So Mr. Jagdish Burani has helped us. So I hope all of you take this treatment and see improvement.
We also have a couple of known people of Mr. Jagdish Burani who have been practicing urine therapy for their family. If I may now invite Ms. Preeti.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today, and thank you, Jagdish Uncle, for all that you have done. The meaning of life is to find your gift, but the purpose of life is to give it away. And that is what Jagdish Uncle has been doing, I feel. a selfless man doing so much of service without asking or without even expecting anything in return. They say, there is one saying that pehlo sukh is nirogi kaya. No matter you have loads of money, wealth, or anything else, if you are not well, you cannot enjoy that. The doctor's fees and the medical costs are increasing like hell. But when we thanks to Burani uncle, the way we can see that, the selfless service he is doing, all the gift of health is in your hands, and I think he is the best ambassador sent by the God to make sure that we live our life healthily and freely. It's all because of Burani uncle. Let's give him a big round of applause for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We also have Ms. Geeta.
Honorable dignitaries, respected sir, Shri Jagdish Burani, and all my dear friends here. It gives me immense pleasure, and I think it's such a huge privilege, to the point that, I really am choked to tears at the kind of service sir has dedicated to the human society. Every now and then, when mankind suffers and is in need of help, God sends great men on earth to relieve men of pain and agony. Every time I've been knowing Shri Jagdish sir for the last 7 to 8 years, but it's just been wonderful knowing him as a person. Every time he comes and talks to me about the testimonials, he says one sentence. I say, sir, you do so much. How do you come up with this kind of a great thought and service? He has only one sentence in response. He says, God is great. In Shri Jagdish Burani's very own words, God is great, and so is this great man. With an indomitable spirit, courage, firm conviction, faith, and above all, with an immense clarity of thought. He knows precisely what he's doing. Shri Jagdish sir has put in extraordinary efforts in bringing awareness of this ancient science of healing called urine therapy to the doorstep of the common man. He gently reminds us the healing power is within us.
We've been waiting for. May I now invite our dignitaries, Dr. K.B. Lingegowda and Dr. K.C. Balal, along with Mr. Jagdish Burani, to please come up on stage. And may I also invite Mr. Santosh Burani and Mr. Naveen Burani to join us on stage, please. So for them to unveil the book, we need a round of applause from your side. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the book that we are here for, The Natural Benefits of Urine Therapy, authored by Jagdish R. Burani. The book is in 4 languages, in English, Hindi, Kannada and Tamil. Thank you so much. And we're now going to proceed with the evening with hearing more from our VIP dignitaries and some stories that we would all love to hear. A big congratulations to Mr. Jagdish Burani. Can we have a big round of applause? Now I'm going to call upon our chief guest for the evening, Dr. K.B. Lingegowda. He is the director of Kidwai Institute of Oncology. Here is a man who is the master of his field, who is gracious enough, humble enough, and thankful enough to be here, sharing this special occasion with all of us. May I now invite Dr. K.B. Lingegowda on stage to share a few words about this evening.
Good evening, everybody. Today is our dearest Jagdish R. Burani ji's evening. I am really fortunate enough to have a friend and advisor like Dr. Burani. In fact, he is worth getting doctorate degree. He has been coming to Kidwai from last 3-4 years. Inspiration to encourage others for this naturally available urine therapy to cure the chronic diseases is really something great. And what I have seen is, even at this age, he wants to help the society. And how many of us are interested in helping the society like Jagdish R. Burani? We always think that what I am going to get back from the society, what I am going to get back if I bring these people, what I am going to get back if I conduct this meeting, how much money I can make. But whereas this gentleman I have seen whenever he visits Kidwai Cancer Hospital, he will always go to a patient and talk about this urine therapy. Friends, believe me, even I have taken self-urine therapy quite a few times, though I am not very regular like friends. Around 50-60 of us have joined here. At least when we go back to our places, I am sure Jagdish Burani alone cannot make significant difference to the society or community. Each one of us, when we go outside and tell them that these are the benefits of taking self-urine, definitely, at least when you tell 20 people, at least 3 or 4, if they follow it, we are going to make a difference to the society. If you report to cancer hospital in an early stage, it is totally curable. And especially the urine therapy, what Jagdish Burani has been telling to all of us, if we follow it up, definitely it's going to help. And unlike any other medicine, which has been formed with various chemical agents, various ingredients, it is naturally available. Only thing is we should have a clean bowl to collect it and drink. In fact, Buraniji had introduced me to one KS officer who was taking urine earlier. And our friend Dr. Ballal, he has visited Kidwai, and in fact he has given a lecture saying that what are the benefits of taking urine. In fact, I had organized a couple of guest lecture by Dr. Burani at Kidwai for the benefit of our staff and patients. Very happy to couple of ladies speaking openly on the stage. I'm sure only when we spread this awareness that the benefits of urine, then people will come across, they will start utilizing. I wish some more years for Jagdish Burani ji, and especially for his health and for his commitment for the society. And I thank each one of you for attending this program, and kindly let us all join hands to Jagdish Burani in spreading this message of the good effects of urine in living longer. Thank you. Thanks one and all.
Thank you, Doctor. I'm going to request you to stay back for a moment and now invite Mr. and Mrs. Santosh Burani to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. K.B. Lingegowda.
Vijayalakshmi Shetty, and this is my mother, Vinodha Shetty, aged 55 years. 3 years back, she was complaining about stomach pain, acidity. So I took her to a complete medical checkup where she was diagnosed as carcinoma stomach. Then for her treatment, I took her to Father Mulla Hospital. It's in Mangalore. I met Dr. Rohan Gatti. He's an oncology surgeon. He first advised her to undergo CT scan, so that after looking at the report, he'll tell what treatment to be undergone. So as per his advice, she underwent CT scan first. After looking at the report, he said that this disease was in an inoperable condition. So he suggested her to first undergo 3 cycles of chemotherapy. And he also told that it will cost us around 1 lakh. So as per his advice, she underwent chemotherapy, 3 cycles of chemotherapy. And after each cycle, she had neutropenia. Neutropenia is nothing but side effects of this chemotherapy. She had vomiting, fever, low blood sugar. She suffered a lot. She has lost her hair also because of this chemotherapy. Doctor could not find much difference. So the last option was that he suggested us to go for surgery. He also told the outcome of surgery, as she had carcinoma of stomach, it's nothing but stomach in the cancer. He told that her whole stomach has to be removed, and her food pipe will be connected to her small intestine. Because her stomach will be removed, she has to be fed every 5 minutes, and she'll be totally bedridden. And maybe the outcome of operation, maybe it may be a success or it may be a failure, but he didn't give any guarantee for that, for her life. So my family members, they opposed for this. They were completely against this operation. So lastly, we didn't have any other option. We back out from that surgery. I called him up. I explained him everything. I scanned him. I sent him all my mother's report. After looking at the report, he suggested to stop all the medicines and start urine therapy. After 10 months, we came back to Bangalore, where she once again underwent CT scan, biopsy, endoscopy. Then this report, we took it to Dr. Ajay Kumar, who is the chairman and oncologist in HCG hospital. After looking at her report and physically examining her, he said that the disease was stable and advised her to continue urine therapy. After adopting this urine therapy, she didn't have any side effects. So if she had gone for chemotherapy, where she had suffered a lot after that chemotherapies, but here she has no side effects. Moreover, it has benefited her a lot. Other than benefit for this disease, she has gained hairs also. Her hairs also have grown faster than what we thought. Had she gone for surgery, she would have suffered a lot. She would have totally bedridden, and we can't imagine also that one. Now at least she is hale and healthy. She's walking on her foot. I think we have taken a good decision by taking this urine therapy. I feel that this natural method of treatment is very effective to control and cure cancer as well as all other chronic diseases.
We also have all the way from Uganda a testimonial letter sent by Charles Mabizira, okay, and this was a case of HIV, okay, and using urine therapy, Mr. Jagdish Burani has helped cure HIV. So this is a letter from Charles Mabazira all the way from Uganda, and he says, "I'm writing to you filled with joy. I have been to my art provision facility 3 months ago and my viral load results showed undetected. I have been using urine therapy along with art since I last contacted you. Unfortunately, I did not have a smartphone to scan the results on file that time. I have now got one smartphone with a camera. I will photo and scan a copy to forward to you after my next visit to the health center. Thank you so much for all your research on urine therapy. I wish the whole world should get to appreciate and understand about urine therapy." This is all the way from Uganda. A big round of applause. HIV, something that science has been struggling with. It's the service and belief and faith of Mr. Jagdish Burani that has helped cure it. Next on stage, I'm going to invite our last speaker for today. Now, apart from being a luminary in his field of work, Dr. K.C. Ballal is also a very, very dear friend of Mr. Jagdish Burani and has been supporting him through this journey. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to call on stage the man who's been supporting Mr. Jagdish Burani through this journey, Dr. K.C. Ballal.
Namaskara. See, Jagdish Burani ji, great legend. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಹಣ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. This is a gentleman. Long back he was in near Kapali Theatre in his own building. I used to refer patients. ಹೋದರೆ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಫೀಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. All the doctors they will take. But he is a gentleman. ಹೋದವರಿಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ photocopy of the how this urine therapy is useful, how to take this, all the details. He will only print so many things by his own money. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಂಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವೆನ್ಎವರ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ he reads in newspaper, immediately he goes there. Such a thing, it can be cured with our own Indian system, which was mentioned in Ayurveda, Damaru Tantra, Shivambu Chikitsa. This is our own system. ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಹೋಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಯಾವ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನು ಬೇಡ, ಖಾಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಯೂರಿನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇವ್. ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮನಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಪೆನ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರುಪೀಸನ್ನು ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇವ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟಿವ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟಿವ್. ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಡೈಲಿ ಯೂರಿನನ್ನು ಡೈಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ.
May I invite Mr. and Mrs. Naveen Burani on stage, felicitate Dr. Balal. Can we have a round of applause for Dr. Balal, please? Thank you, Dr. Balal. Thank you so much.
Reminding him to
Thank you. Thank you so much. And before we move on, Ms. Simran Burani, I'd like you to share a few words.
Daddy, this is for you. Though I'm very nervous, I had told Dad I'm not going to speak about it, but I just couldn't resist. Thanks to all of you all. I am one of his patients as well. Please clap for me too. Thanks to the awareness given to me by my mom while dying of cancer. She told me that if anything in life you really need to do with cancer, please you can rely on urine. And just putting my dots together 13 years ago, what she said, I mean, I won't say I got cancer, but I formed a lump on my right breast, which was 5.6. And the thickness of the wall was 2.8 when my doctor just told me, no, you have to go into a biopsy. And I said, no, I think my mom has left me a message. I carried on. June 7th, I did my scan. 21st June, after following the therapy, it came down from 5.8 to 2.6 and 1.8 wall. And I would just say thank you for the lifeline, Daddy. Thank you so much. I did it for you.
A book is a tool of legacy. Take this book and gift it. That's the best gift we could give people. Sometimes we give gifts without meaning. This is a gift with a meaning. So gift this book to yourself, to your family, to your colleagues at the workplace, to your near and dear ones. So with that, we come to the end of the book launch event, the book launch event of Natural Benefits of Urine Therapy. This is Rajiv Talreja signing off. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience. Thank you so much for being so energetic and participative. You have today taken this message and you're going to be taking this message along with you to the world. Without having dinner, dinner served outside right at the back. So on your way out, you first buy the book and then you go have dinner. Thank you so much.